Hello people, welcome to Science Chomp. Today we're going to be talking about the molecular clock and phylogenetic trees. Now what does this all mean? Well, the molecular clock can be used as a tool to find the relationship between one organism and another and find out roughly how far back we shared a common ancestor. Now here we have a family tree and it shows humans, but imagine it could be any organism. And we've got related organisms all the way down here. So you've got this organism and this organism. And suppose we knew it was related to this common ancestor. We knew how long ago that common ancestor lived. Well, all we need to do is we need to find a gene sequence. And we have to be quite picky with the gene sequence. We want something which is reasonably stable, but that does change over time. Well, if we have a look at a gene sequence from this organism and one from here, what you might find is there's a few bases which are different. Now, based on how long this takes, we can figure out how much the rate of change of the DNA sequence is. Here is an example of what you might find. So here it takes about 25 million years to have a base change over here and a base change over here. And then another 25 million years, you got another base change over there. So after 50 million years, you basically got differences over here and over here. So that way, what we can do is we can put together something known as a phylogenetic tree, which looks a little bit like this. Now, interestingly, what you can see is you got common ancestors over here, a common ancestor over here, common ancestors over here. And what this tells us is alligators are more closely related to birds than they are snakes, because with the crocodilian and the bird, they had a common ancestor roughly about 250 million years ago, whereas with the snake and the crocodile, that had a common ancestor just a little bit further back, maybe like 270, 280-ish million years ago. So that's how we build phylogenetic trees, and we can see evolutionary relationships between one organism and the next. I hope that made sense. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.